In this video, we're looking at Tell Me questions 12, 13 and 14. These are all under the bonnet, so we're going to do them together. Number 12 looks at checking the level of engine oil. Number 13 is checking we have sufficient coolant. And number 14 is checking that we have a safe level of hydraulic brake fluid. We'll need to open the bonnet first. The bonnet catch on the inside of the car could either be on the driver's side, or in this car it's on the passenger side. You just need to pull the lever. Once you've pulled the lever, make your way outside and run your hand along the bottom of the bonnet and you'll feel another lever. Again, some cars are at the bottom, this car is at the top. You can see the lever there. Once you've pushed the bonnet up, you then need to grab the bonnet stay and put that into the correct hole. This secures the bonnet and makes sure we can look safely underneath it. We're going to start with the safe level for hydraulic brake fluid. In most cars, this is the brightest and most easily identifiable one as it has a yellow cap. Can you see the picture in the middle? That's a circle with a set of brakes round it. To the side, you'll see the max-min lines, and we need to make sure that the brake fluid is in between these lines. You might have to rattle the bottle a bit to shake the fluid in it to see it. So as long as it's between those two lines, this is how we check it. Let's move on to the engine coolant. This one has got a picture of water on the top and a thermometer. Again, down the side of the bottle is a max-min line, and you can see the fluid is moving so that we can see it. Although this isn't a Tell Me question, I'd like to pay attention to the washer bottle with the blue cap and the picture of the windscreen. You need to make sure this is topped up. On your Show Me questions, the examiner may ask you to wash the rear or the front windscreen. You can see the pipe goes round the back of the header tank. Just make sure that you've topped it up. Lastly, we're going to look at how you check if you have sufficient engine oil. The engine oil actually goes in here, but on the Tell Me question, you have to explain this process, that you would pull the dipstick out, wipe the dipstick of the residue of oil. This is because while we've been driving, the oil has been sloshing around up and down the dipstick, so we wouldn't get a true reading. Then we dip the dipstick back in the tank again and pull it out, and we have to have a look at the lines on the orange section. The line at the bottom is the minimum and the line at the top is the maximum. You can see this car is nearly up to the top with engine oil. Once you're happy and you've put the dipstick back in, you need to be able to shut the bonnet. You need to take the weight of the bonnet with your hand to allow the bonnet stay to come down. Then clip it back into the clip. Then lower the bonnet almost 3/4 of the way down before dropping it firmly. You can check that it's definitely shut by running your finger underneath and giving it a light push in the centre. Join us again for all your driving lessons.